The Big Bang, an event so monumental that it's said to mark the very beginning of time, space, and everything we know. But, did it really happen? What if the Big Bang wasn't the start of the universe? What if it didn't happen at all? Could the universe have no beginning, or, stranger still, be part of an infinite cycle? Today, we're diving deep into one of the most mind-bending mysteries of all time. We'll uncover the evidence, explore the theories that challenge the Big Bang, and ask questions that may never have answers. But here's the real question: if the Big Bang didn't happen, then what did? To understand the controversy, we need to understand the theory. The Big Bang suggests that around 13.8 billion years ago, the universe began as a singularity, an unimaginably hot, dense point. Then, in a fraction of a second, it expanded in what scientists call cosmic inflation, setting the stage for the formation of galaxies, stars, and planets. It's a neat explanation, backed by some pretty convincing evidence. The universe is expanding. Edwin Hubble's discovery of redshifted galaxies shows that space itself is stretching. The cosmic microwave background, CMB. This faint radiation is considered the afterglow of the Big Bang. The abundance of light elements like hydrogen and helium. These elements align with predictions of the early universe's hot, dense state. But is this enough to prove the Big Bang really happened? Not everyone thinks so. Even if the Big Bang theory explains a lot, it also leaves us with some pretty big questions. What came before the Big Bang? If time itself started at the Big Bang, how do we even define before? What caused the Big Bang? Was it a random quantum fluctuation, the collapse of a previous universe, or something else entirely? What's the universe expanding into? Is there an edge? Is there something beyond the observable universe? These questions might seem unanswerable, but they've inspired some of the most fascinating alternative theories. Let's take a look at the ones that dare to challenge the Big Bang. First up, the steady-state theory. This theory argues that the universe is eternal and unchanging on a large scale. As the universe expands, new matter is continuously created to keep its density constant. For years, it seemed like a strong contender. But when the cosmic microwave background radiation was discovered in the 1960s, it was considered a major blow to the steady-state theory. Or was it? Some proponents argue that the CMB could be explained by other mechanisms. Could they be right? Or is the steady-state theory just wishful thinking? Next, let's talk about the cyclic universe theory. According to this idea, the universe is part of an eternal cycle of expansion and contraction. Instead of a single Big Bang, there are countless Big Bangs followed by Big Crunches, creating an infinite loop. This theory solves some of the Big Bang's problems, like what caused it and what came before it. But here's the twist: if this cycle is eternal, why does it seem like the universe has a beginning? And where does the energy for this endless cycle come from? And then, there's the quantum fluctuation hypothesis. Some physicists believe the universe could have emerged from a quantum fluctuation, a tiny ripple in a vacuum that created everything we see today. But here's the mind-bender: if our universe is just one bubble in a vast quantum foam, are there other universes out there? Could we be part of a multiverse? And if so, is our universe special, or just one of countless others? Finally, let's consider the simulation hypothesis, the idea that the universe isn't real at all. What if the Big Bang didn't happen because the universe is a simulation? The start of the universe might just be the start of the program. But if that's true, who created the simulation? Why? And how could we ever prove, or disprove, this idea? Why do these theories matter? Because science isn't just about answers, it's about questions. And the Big Bang theory, for all its success, still leaves us asking some of the biggest questions of all. Is the universe finite or infinite? Can something come from nothing? Are we even capable of understanding the true nature of reality? Theories like the cyclic universe, the quantum fluctuation hypothesis, and even the simulation hypothesis push the boundaries of what we know and force us to think in entirely new ways. Could one of these ideas hold the truth? Or is the answer something we can't even imagine yet? So, what do you think? Did the Big Bang really happen? Or is it just one piece of a much larger puzzle? Could the universe have no beginning, or infinite beginnings? And if the Big Bang didn't happen, what does that mean for everything we think we know? Leave your thoughts and theories in the comments, we'd love to hear them. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us on this journey to uncover the deepest mysteries of the cosmos. The universe is vast, mysterious, and full of questions. The only certainty is this: the more we learn, the more we realize how much we still don't know.